voila, what did I tell you this morning about these beautiful lights? So we were just inside, and when we realized, it just popped on all by itself. So as I was saying before, it have a solar thing on top of here that when the sun penetrated, it starts to just charge. So in the evening, when the sun goes down, it just automatically come on by itself. Look at it. It looks like real fire.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing, standing up everybody.
Should be watered 3 times per week. Once you take care of your plants, Africa palm tree, 2 minutes per tree. So 2 minutes of water per tree. You want water in the day. So as you can see, all my water, they have a storage container. When that is filled, that water inside the container helps to keep it moist. So if you forgot to water it after the 3 days, that water helps to keep it going, right? So as you can see, some of them are burned. It's called the breeze burn, because as you can see, they're blowing now, and that is what caused the problem. So let's take care of these babies. I love plants. Yes, I do. So these plants, guys, they actually grow 8 to 10 feet, 8 to 10 inches, 8 to 10 feet high. Yes. So for all my plant lovers out there, I adore you for loving plants. So guys, remember, each plant requires 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. Alright? So if it is that you just take your time like how I do it, I would just do one and move on to the next. Just make sure you're coating in your head to make sure that they get the water that they require. I'm watering my plants. I'm watering my Eureka palm tree. I love my plants. I'm a part of Mother Nature. I love my Eureka palm tree. So yes, so remember guys, give it 60 seconds of water. Alright? Remember, these plants love water. Everything loves water. Can you survive without water? Tell me. No, you cannot. So you need water to survive, so the plant do too. The plants are a part of us. If we do not have these, how would we have oxygen? So we have to take care of our plants, right? And another thing I will share with you about having a plant around your house, it takes away a lot of negative energy. So this is why we love plants. Do you love plants? That's why you're on my channel. So I'm making sure that they get the amount of water that they need. Right? I'm watering my plants. I'm watering my plants. Oh, my plants need 1 minute of water. You will know. Just water until Mother Nature tells you to stop. So these are some Eureka palm trees. Sometimes I love to go wild. Just like human does, we need water to survive. It's the same way our plants need water and sunlight to survive. So how plants to make sure that I'm not over watering it, I dip my finger in. Once my finger can go into the soil, I know that it does not need any water. As you can see, this soil right here, it is already moist. Don't overwater your soil, because if you do that, the plants can die. Too much water is not good either. Right? So this one here, as you can see, a total different soil from that one. So this one requires some water. So I'm going to give this one some, not much, but a little. Why I'm not going to give this one much water? Come and let me show you. If you look inside the container, water is already inside the container, so it absorbs the water back to the roots. So that way now I don't need to give it excessive amount of water. Know how to take care of your plants, and your plant will take care of you. So thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm watering this one because 2 days ago this container was full of water, and as you can see, it is now empty. So that simply means it needs water, and water is life. So I'm going to give it 60 seconds of water, so you can count with me. I'm watering my plant, I'm watering my plant. Are you the country with water every 3 days? Was that good enough for you? Now you know. So let's give it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so we're here today to water our front door plants. So as always, we want to make sure that they need water, because we don't want to overwater the plants and then they die, because too much water for your plants can kill it. And remember, all plants need our water and sunlight to survive, right? So I always do a finger check. See, everything is dried. Everything is dried, so these plants need water. Alright, so we're gonna water everything today, and remember, all our plants need is, alright, you don't have to water them every day, because too much water can kill the plant. So as you can see for yourself, everything is dry. So we're gonna water these babies. Alright, so let's go. What I do when I'm watering my plants, I count in my head 60 seconds to make sure that I don't overwater them. Good. Why I water them this way is because I want to make sure that they get a bath, because just like me and you, we need a bathe, right? So I make sure of that. Voila! What did I tell you this morning about these beautiful lights? So we were just inside, and when we realized, it just popped on all by itself. So as I was saying before, it have a solar thing on top of here that when the sun penetrated, it starts to just charge. So in the evening, when the sun goes down, it just automatically come on by itself. Look at it. It looks like real fire, right? But look at me. I'm actually touching it and it's not burning me. So remember, if you want some of these to order, just remember, comment down below and I'll definitely share all this info with you. Thank you so much. Have a look.